Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. Julian's mom is making cupcakes for his birthday. The recipe she is using calls for 5.25 cups of flour for 2.5 dozen cupcakes. How many cups of flour does Julian's mother need to make 1 dozen cupcakes? So the question that we are focusing on is how many cups of flour does Julian's mother need to make 1 dozen cupcakes? Again, we are asked how many cups of flour. So we have cups and to make 1 dozen cupcakes. So we have dozens of cupcakes. So when they're asking us for 1 dozen, they're asking us for the unit rate. So they gave us a rate and we need the unit rate. So we're going to be setting two equal rates and that is a proportion. So we're going to set up a proportion and we know that they want cups of flour per dozen of cupcakes. So we can use what they gave us for cups and for dozens. They gave us 5.25 cups of flour that she used to make 2.5 dozens of cupcakes. So we have our cups and we have our dozens. But we want to know how many cups does it take for just 1 dozen cupcakes. We're looking for that unit rate. So we can set up this proportion that we have here. We have 5.25 over 2.5 is equal to the cups over 1. So we can use our cross products. 2.5 times C is 2.5C equals 5.25 times 1 is 5.25. So you see where I got that? Our cross products 2.5 times C gave us 2C, and 5.25 times 1 gave us 5.25. And now we have a one-step equation where we are trying to isolate the C. So we're going to undo multiplying by 2.5, so we divide by 2.5. Whatever we do on one side, we're going to have to do to that other side. So to get C, the cups of flour that she will need, we are dividing 5.25 by 2.5. I'm going to set that up right over here. I would like to start dividing, but I cannot. Why can I not start dividing? That is correct. We have a decimal in our divisor, and that's not allowed. So we're going to take that decimal and we're going to move it all the way to the end. But if I do that in the divisor, I have to do it in the dividend as well. So I moved it 1, and so we're going to move it once in the dividend. And so our decimal is going to end up right here between the 2 and the 5. Okay? So now we can rewrite that problem. It's going to be 52.5 divided by 25. Okay, so our decimals here, bringing it right up. 25 goes into 52 two times because 25 times 2 is 50. We subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 5 is nothing. So we bring down our 5. 25 goes into 25 once, but that 1 is after our decimal or behind our decimal. And so we have 2.1 cups. Okay, so we can write our unit rate. The question was, how many cups of flour does Julian's mother need to make 1 dozen cupcakes? So she needs 2.1 cups of flour per dozen cupcakes. So 2.1 cups of flour is 8.